Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing our Boxycharm for November unboxing. And yeah, I don't really have much of an intro for this video, but please be sure to go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe down below to join the hashtag FamJam, because you know you want to. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started, guys. So for the month of November, the theme of this month was called Goal Digger. And it's all about like setting goals and what kind of goals you might have in your life and achieving them. So first thing in this month's box is this 4-piece set of Luxie brushes. And I think these brushes are so cute, and so here's what they look like. They're more of like precision shadow brushes, like these two here. One is angled, one is more of a domed brush, but they're like pencil brushes. I'm really excited to add these to my collection. And then this one is just a very nice fluffy blending brush. And then this other angled one looks like it'd work really nice for the crease. And I love that Luxie does have them labeled. I so appreciate that aspect of it all. And next up in the box, I got this pair of tweezers by Ferrara. I'm not quite sure how to even pronounce this. I'll open them up and see. Okay, so they're double-ended. One side is pointed, one side is flat, so you can just squeeze this side and use this side, or squeeze this side and use this side. And I'm so excited to get this because there's this one time I saw a girl get a pair like this, so it wasn't by this brand, in her Ipsy bag, and I was like, oh, maybe I'll get it in my Ipsy bag, but I didn't that month because I thought the like design of double-ended tweezers is just like mind-blowing. Anyways, I do really love how the front of this kind of matches the gold on the tweezer, on the brushes, so I think that's kind of a cute addition. Next up in the box, I got this. It's a makeup brush cleanser, and it's by Body Graphy Pro. I'm terrible at pronouncing things, so that's what it looks like. And I will go ahead and try some of this out after I use some of the brushes in the video. And then next, I got these Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova. It's in the shade Nova. And it does say to shake well before use. So here's what it looks like. I've seen like people use this before, and I've thought that it's just really beautiful. And these retail for $44, and I for sure would not pay $44 for just one little tube of shimmer drops. Like, I would not pay that. Maybe for a whole eyeshadow palette, but not for one little bottle of glitter drops. Like, no, sorry. But thank you, Boxycharm, for including them in the box. And then the last thing in the box is this Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. I think it is really beautiful. Here's what the shades look like. I am going to go ahead and do a quick swatch of them here for you. So this one here is called Jasmine. Next is Clove. And then the next is called Myrtle. The next is called Cinnamon. Patchouli is just a really nude, like eye setting shade. The next is called Rose. And the next is called Poppy. And the last is called Primrose. So there are all of the swatches. These swatched beautifully. Like this color right here, the orange shade in here, it's an interesting orange shade. I really don't even have this color in my eyeshadow collection, so I am excited for this shade right here. It's the Clove shade. So we're gonna go ahead and do a quick eye look with this palette and see what I can create. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna go in with the shade called the cinnamon shade here, and just kind of work that all into my crease, which I think this shade is gonna be like really pigmented. So I do really like this brush. It's really nice for blending things out. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with this angled brush. Take some of the poppy shade, and work that into the outer V. Okay, then I'm just going to take some of Primrose and use my finger to apply that to my inner part of my eye. Okay, then I'm just going to go back in with this fluffy blending brush and take some of Clove, which is that like almost orangey salmony color, and apply that right below my brow bone to kind of blend out all the colors. And then I'm going to take some of that on my lower lash line. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and try out some of these glitter drops. And I think I'm just going to take a little bit of them and use them as like an inner corner highlight. Oh wow, yeah, that is beautiful. I think I just found my new favorite inner corner highlight. Yeah, these are really pretty. I love them. And then we're going to go ahead and try out some of this brush cleaner. So it says to spray directly onto brush hair and gently wipe on a paper towel using sparingly. And I'm going to take this brush here. I used, it says just did y'all see that? It like squirted out. Okay, alright. It's a little bit messy. This is just to, I mean, like, it is removing the color off of the brush, but it's not like per se cleaning it. Like, there's still color left on the brush. I don't know. I don't know if I'll end up liking this stuff, but I loved all of the rest of the box this month. I think it was a bomb box. Like, I'm super excited. I did see some people get lashes in their box, and I was like, oh, Lord, please. I don't want lashes. But I didn't get lashes. I got the tweezers, so I'm super excited about that. I can really use the tweezers, because you can never have enough tweezers, right? You know. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.